Hey fellow entrepreneurs, this is Doug. I'm glad you could stop by and check out my video here. So I have a big event, something that's totally awesome, something that's just going to blow you away. It's called Tactic Tuesday. It's going to give you marketing tips and tricks and how to set yourself apart from your competitors. So my business associates put this together, and what we're going to do is 3 Tuesdays out of every month for an hour or so we're going to meet, cover a subject, go into that subject in depth, and to make sure that people understand how to implement that part of that subject into their online marketing. We're going to be covering items such as email marketing, sales videos, how to make webinars, how to do lead generation, how to create sales funnels that actually convert, and much more. Actually much mo. So anyways, a little misspelling there. You don't want to miss this. It's going to be totally free. This will not be your normal type of training. We will spend the whole month talking and discussing and implementing these strategies. But we're going to take one strategy a month and really go into in depth into that. So like, for instance, the first one will be video sales. What we're going to do is we're going to take 3 weeks out of the month on Tuesdays, and we're going to show you how to set up the video sales, how to get templates to use for that to make it easy for yourself, and how to implement that into your marketing. So this is going to help, like I said, set yourself aside from your competition. And this is for anyone who's promoting an online business, or those who want to learn how. This training is totally free, so lock in your spots before it's too late. Just make sure you click on the description below and lock in your spot. Get started. See you there Tuesday, and we'll rock it together and make a big difference, and we can go out there and just really crush it. Have a great day, and look forward to seeing you on the inside.